Hello guys, this is Federico from EasyBiz. Welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll show you our Viddle Interact review. I will explain what it is, how it works and exactly everything you find inside. I will also show you the demo and the pricing as well, so make sure to stay until the end to get everything you need. Before I start, I quickly show you the bonus page. If you decide to purchase the product, you can do through our link in the description below, and immediately after the purchase you'll find a ton of high-value extra bonuses included. They allow you to get the most results using Viddle Interact and are designed to help you improve all your web marketing skills. You learn the fundamental strategies for generating traffic, leads and sales for any type of online business. So let's go on the page where you can find all these details and you can check for yourself too. So what is a Viddle Interact? Neil Napier is the creator and he is a top creator on JVZoo. He worked in this field for more than 80 years and more than 100,000 customers are satisfied with his products. Viddle Interact is the software that has everything you need to make professional interactive videos. You can import videos into Viddle Interact without API. With an ultra-fast server, you can host and play videos inside, market your content to get unlimited traffic, and interact with viewers. It's for affiliate marketers, course creators, bloggers, and anyone who needs for selling products through video marketing. When I got access to Viddle Interact, one thing that I appreciated was that you can host a lot of your own videos without having to pay a monthly fee. The price of Vimeo, Wistia, and some other video players is high, and this product solves this problem. The main difference is that Viddle Interact has a library full of beautiful video templates, no matter what niche or industry you are in, and allows you to host and play your own video with high interactive elements to be inserted. With Viddle Interact, you'll be able to make your own videos and make money from them, record videos like demo videos, product videos, webinar videos, sales videos, also for your clients. You can host videos for local businesses and build them every month with an agency license. You can set up your own video hosting platform for your business, and you can host your own personal website videos like sales videos, demo videos, and more. To upload a video, all you need to do is sign up for a new Viddle Interact account, and after making the account, you can add videos by sharing your screen, entering a video link, or uploading them from your computer. So now I start the quick demo video explaining the features, and then I come back.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room, and damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall. There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight.
Okay, let's talk about pricing. You basically have the front end. You can start with simply $34 as personal or $37 as agency. Then you have the Auto one, the Viddle Interact with all the features unlimited at $197 per year or $297 one time. Then you have the Auto 2, the professional version at $59 one time with advanced video settings and statistics. Then you have the Auto 3, the agency white label, at $67 one time with advanced technology for agencies, add team members, professional website, done for you agency website and custom graphics and materials. Then you have the Auto 4, the Video Drive personal and agency at $97 per year or $297 per year. With unlimited storage, clients and bandwidth, and many other features such as video built-in player, watermarking system, advanced file management, and more. And then the Auto 5, the local leader, Viddle Interact edition, the $47 per year, with features to find new leads on various platforms, with a built-in cold email sending module, along with a lead manager and email performance tracker. The Done For You website and the Business Starter Pack with email templates. So, what is our final opinion? We really love using Viddle Interact because it's so easy to use. The interface is very clean, making it easy to customize videos and make them interactive. Whether you want to share them with your friends or post them as a webinar video, Viddle Interact makes it easy and fun. So we recommend it as a software. This is a great tool for marketing to make your own videos and use them to engage with your audience. So guys, that's all for today for this video. Thank you so much for checking out my review. If you want to get started with Viddle Interact and all our bonuses, just click the link in the description below. Also subscribe and like the video. It really helps our YouTube channel. We appreciate it. For any question, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much and see you soon.